How to become a real estate agent. Did you know that I was a licensed real estate agent in 3 different states? Did you know it started as a side hustle for me and made me hundreds of thousands of dollars per year? Well, it's true. You can become a real estate agent in just a matter of weeks and start making tons of money in real estate, and it is a very simple process. In this video, I'm going to share with you all the secrets on how to become an agent and how to make a ton of money once you become one. Let's go.
Noel. Yeah, she can fix that. You gotta get it done, or you need to do it better. Well, she can fix that. Yeah, she can fix that. Investment to get back, trying to get a big stack. She can fix that. Let's fix that.
In this video, I'm going to share with you an easy step-by-step process to becoming a real estate agent without the stress or hassle. I'm going to share with you 3 ways to become an agent in half the time that it takes others. And I'm going to share with you a big secret to becoming a real estate and getting deals immediately. There are pros and cons of every different career, but there are so many pros to becoming a real estate agent. Being a real estate agent has so many benefits. The first thing that you need to know is real estate is forever. There is not going to be any technology, no app, no laptop, nothing that people can live in. Therefore, we will always need real estate agents because real estate is always a thing that will last. Because you can become a real estate agent in just a short amount of time, you literally can become an expert in real estate in a short amount of time too. Not only do you have the opportunity to take people out and show them homes or help people sell their homes, you also can become a real estate investor as a real estate agent because you have access to a lot of different resources as a real estate agent. The second benefit to being a real estate agent is no college degree is required. You literally can pass a test and become a real estate agent and start doing deals immediately. You don't have to go to college for 4 years or 6 years or get an MBA or some other master's degree or doctorate in order to become a real estate agent. In many cases, you just need a high school diploma or a GED to become a real estate agent. You don't have to go to college and spend a lot of time or money educating yourself. You literally will just go to real estate school, which I will explain a little bit later. Real estate agent is an amazing career that can make a lot of money and doesn't require a college degree. Number 3, you have the potential for big commissions. As a real estate agent, the bigger the houses or the higher the price of the home that you sell, the more commissions that you can make. I remember my first commission as a real estate agent was over $9,000. I literally sold a house that was over $300,000 and 3% of that was $9,000. That was my commission because I was with a broker that did not charge me a lot of money when I sold homes. So you have the opportunity to make what people make all month or more than people make in a month with just one real estate deal. Now, if you sell even bigger homes like $500,000 houses or $1 million homes, you can make $20,000, $30,000, $50,000 by just selling one house. And in some cases, you can sell one house all year and make your annual income. Number 4, real estate agent is an amazing career path. You literally can do all different types of things as a real estate agent. Not only can you list homes, meaning help sellers sell their homes, you can also help buyers find homes, but you can also sell businesses. Literally, real estate agents not only sell houses, they actually sell businesses too. So you could do residential homes, you can do commercial homes, you can do multifamily, you can do hotels and apartment buildings. There are so many different types of things that you can do in real estate, and you can have many different career paths as a real estate agent. And then last but not least, you will own your time. As a real estate agent, you will be able to go get clients that you want to work with, and you can have time freedom. You do not have to work 40 hours a week, Monday through Friday, 9 to 5. You can work sometimes on weekends, or you can work sometimes just in the evenings. You literally can even work as a part-time agent and only work part-time and have a full-time job. Literally, you will be able to own your time and create your own schedule as a real estate agent. So now that you know the benefits of being a real estate agent, let's talk about how you get it done hassle-free. There's a simple process to becoming a real estate agent. The first thing that you need to do is go to real estate school. So you can basically go to real estate school for less than $1,000. In many cases, people have gone to real estate school for less than $500. I am not being paid as affiliate for any different types of real estate school. So I will tell you, you can literally do a Google search and you can find different real estate schools in your area, and you do not have to pay a lot of money for real estate school. And in fact, you can do real estate school online or in the classroom. I personally like doing my real estate school online because it allows me to log in whenever I want to. I can do it when my kids go to bed, or I can do it early in the morning before they wake up, but I get to go to real estate school and log in when I want to. If you are a person that needs a teacher, they also have in-classroom sessions as well, and you can sign up for real estate school and literally go into a classroom setting and get educated and become a real estate agent. So the first step is real estate school, which is not expensive and you can get done in a matter of weeks. Once you finish real estate school, you will have to pass the real estate school exam. So once you finish real estate school, they will give you an exam for the school, okay? So this is not the state exam. This is just the exam to finish real estate school. This is usually a review of everything that you've learned in real estate school, and it is not a difficult test. However, most schools will only allow you to take the test 2 times, and if you do not pass, you will have to go back to real estate school and do the whole course again. So make sure during real estate school, you're taking lots of notes, you're paying attention, and you do the study guides. Most of the people that I know and my students have only had to take the real estate school exam 1 time to pass, but just know that usually you get to take it 2 or 3 times before they make you do the whole course again. The next step is pass the state exam. Once you finish real estate school, you will then have to take the state exam. So no matter what state you are in, there is a real estate state exam that you will have to take. This is a statewide and state-specific exam that's specific to the laws in your state. So if you are in Texas, for example, you will have to take the Texas Real Estate License exam. This is salesperson license, okay? So there are 2 different types of exams. You'll have the license to be a salesperson and the license to be a broker. Obviously, I am talking about the salesperson's license, and that is usually an easier exam than the broker's license. Once you get your salesperson's license and you've had that license for a few years, then you can take the real estate broker's license. Those are 2 different exams, and you have to do it step by step. You have to be an agent before you can be a broker in almost every single state, unless you have a college degree, for example. Once you pass the state exam, you will then get hired by a broker. This is absolutely free to you, and many real estate brokers are looking for licensed agents just like yourself. As a licensed Florida real estate broker, I have a company called New Realty, and we are hiring real estate agents every single day. If you are a licensed real estate agent in the state of Florida, you can be an agent on my team by emailing us at hello@newrealty.com. That's NUUREALTY, hello@newrealty.com. But no matter what state you are in, you can find a broker that will hire you. A real estate broker can be a small brokerage like New Realty, or you could sign up with a bigger brokerage like Keller Williams, Century 21, or RE/MAX. Those bigger agents do usually take a bigger part of your commission, but in many cases, they will give you leads or they will teach you how to be a real estate agent, because the real estate school, the exam that you took, did not teach you how to be a real estate agent. It just taught you a lot of the rules and processes to be a real estate agent. So getting hired with a broker should not cost you any money. You should not be paying money to a broker to be one of their licensed agents. Know that you as a licensed agent is an asset to a broker, because you will split your commission or you will pay desk fees to your real estate broker every single month or every time you sell a home. Once you're signed up with a broker, you will then get access to the real estate board. You will sign up with the National Real Estate Board, and you will also sign up with the local real estate board. You will then have to pay your board fees in order to be a licensed broker with that board. You will only sign up with the board that is your broker's board. So for example, if you're a broker like Noel Randall, I'm New Realty, I am signed up with the Orlando Regional Board, okay? ORRA, ORRA. So all of the agents that are signed up to my brokerage will have to go to the ORRA board to sign up and pay their board fees to that board. This will also give you access to MLS. MLS stands for Multiple Listing Services. All licensed agents will have access to MLS if they pay their board fees and they sign up. So most brokerages will make you sign up with MLS and sign up with a board so that you have access to MLS and you can show different clients all of the different properties that are available for sale in your area. This will allow you to find clients and be able to search for properties to show clients your home. Or if you find someone that wants to sell their property, you will list that property in MLS so that every agent and every brokerage can see your listings and help you sell that house even faster. If you are wanting to become a real estate agent, you have to make that your #1 goal. Go to noellinspires.com and get the Manifest Journal. You know that you can manifest any goal that you want to. All you have to do is have a plan and stay focused on it. This Manifest Journal will help you accomplish your #1 goal in just 100 days. Go to noellinspires.com today to get your journal absolutely free. You just cover the shipping. noellinspires.com. That's NOELLEINSPIRES. noellinspires.com. This journal has helped me accomplish so many of my goals, and it has helped my students as well. If you have your dream to become a real estate agent, you absolutely can accomplish that. And in many cases, you can accomplish it in just 100 days if you follow this journal and you stay committed to your goal. Get this journal today because it is limited supplies, and I want to send you your copy today absolutely free. You just cover the shipping. I just want to make sure that you have all of the resources, all of the tools, and all of the knowledge that you need to be successful. This is Noelle. To your success. Hey, you, are you enjoying this content? Please make sure you click that like button and please subscribe to my channel. We are going to 1 million viewers. I need your help. So please subscribe to this channel and help me get there. We are growing fast and I appreciate you so much. And also don't forget to comment below with your best things about this video. Tell me what video you want me to make because I read the comments and I am going to make the videos that you want me to make. Well, the ones that I want to make anyway. All right, let's get it.